Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make hard candy without corn syrup. This method uses just a few basic ingredients you likely already have in your pantry. We will guide you through each step to ensure your candy turns out perfectly. You will need 2 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water, and your favorite flavor extract. A candy thermometer is also a crucial tool for success. First, combine 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Stir this mixture gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have completely dissolved. It is important to stop stirring once the mixture begins to boil. Allow the syrup to boil undisturbed, monitoring the temperature with your candy thermometer until it reaches the hard crack stage, which is 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your syrup reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove it from the heat. Quickly and carefully stir in 1 teaspoon of your chosen flavor extract and a few drops of food coloring. Be cautious, as the mixture will be extremely hot and may steam vigorously. Promptly pour the molten sugar mixture onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring an even layer. Let the candy cool completely on the parchment-lined sheet. This usually takes about 15 to 30 minutes. Once fully hardened and brittle, use a wooden spoon or a similar tool to gently break the slab into smaller, bite-sized pieces. For best results, store your homemade hard candy in an airtight container at room temperature. This will help maintain its crisp texture and delicious flavor for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.